Right, so in a minute I'll show you how to set this squirrel trap and set it up for catching squirrels. Now, first thing I'm going to do, I've got this little tin, and in one side I'm going to put peanut butter, and the other side I'm going to put water, and then that's just going to go right at the back in there. And then I'll show you where I'm going to put it. I've got this little bit of platform here. I'm going to put it there, and then beyond that we've got the woods. Well, we've got a car park, and then the woods behind it. So just there on that platform is where it's going to go. And what I'll do, I'll check it in the morning, and then I'll check it again when I get back again. Yeah, so like I said, I'm going to put the peanut butter in there, and then that is just going to go. So this one's got like a spring to hold the door down as well. So just put that up, hold it, get your stuff, put that right in the back, and then just like any other kind of box trap, this bar just sits there. So it just sits through one of the, like the gaps, kind of like that. Just sits through one of the gaps, keeps the door open, and then when they stand on that, it goes down. And like I said, it's got a bar for locking it, and that bar is got springs on it. So I've seen squirrels down here, so I'm going to set that on that platform, and then like I said, I'll come back, check it in the morning, and then I'll check it again later in the evening as well. So simple enough. Normally gets them easy as well. Right, check it now. There's one there, squirrel. Right, so there's a squirrel, peanut butter. So by far the best way to dispatch a squirrel, definitely, is you need a full power air rifle or a full power air pistol. And you need to wait till he stops moving, and then get him in the head. He's not very happy, as you can see, because he's been brought in here. Right, so that's how to trap a squirrel in the garden. So yeah, you could probably keep doing that every day around here and just keep relentlessly catching them. And I suppose in a kind of suburban or a kind of prepping survival situation, that would be an excellent way of getting some meat every day. And really easy way of doing it, but you do need a gun to shoot them in the cage. So your other alternative would be fen traps or conny bear traps, you know, BMI, Magnum body grip traps. But definitely easy to get squirrels if you've got them in the area. Right, anyway, cheers for watching. I'll see you later.